All my company does is work with contractors who build with metal. Don't take it from me. Check this out.
And the phone, get ready, because the phone will not stop ringing.
Yeah, it's going to
and the leads are just going to keep coming in and coming in and coming in. So follow up, and trust me, the price is worth it for what you get.
If there was someone and they were kind of on the fence of working with us, what would you share with them just from your experience working with us?
You're anxious to move the process forward, or you do what you say you're going to do, very responsive or quick to respond to a need.
It's been a great source for leads. We haven't had a whole lot of other leads coming in. This time of year is very slow. I will say that had it not been for this, there really wouldn't have been a whole lot of leads to run. The new business has only come, for the most part, from the FOBFLO service.
We're very happy, very pleased, and right now it's slow season, but we're still getting tons of estimates. When you compare the data from last year to this year, a huge difference.
You have to wrap your mind around the fact that a percentage of your business has to go to marketing. So the businesses that are surviving are the ones that solve the question of lead flow. FOBFLO provides a full package solution to solve that question.
We're even thinking about hiring a appointment setter to set the appointments, because the leads are coming in so fast that we can't work and handle all that at the same time.
I show them the videos that you guys make, and I show them the numbers, and numbers don't lie.
You better be ready for a bunch of leads. As long as you can stay on top of it, I'd say do it. But if you're not ready to swing for the fences, go big or go home.
Most people, their apprehension is like, how long does it take to get a return? And how long does it take for getting jobs?
I'm going to give it 11 minutes. Yeah, it took 11 minutes. Did my estimate with the guy walking out, the phone down again. I'm walking out to my car, and there was the next one, and I was like, oh my God, this guy was not messing around.
When leads finally started coming in, which I say finally, it was only a day or two into the whole thing, it became worth it. It's an investment for sure, but as with anything else, an investment, it's not always 100%, but it was worth it, and it has been so far. I think, again, otherwise I wouldn't renew.
We've had 5 leads a day, solid leads. The leads are solid, and they are definitely coming, and they have not slowed down.
In the first 7 days of being live, we were able to generate 40 leads.
It's great. That's exactly what I wanted. And I plan to continue.
What we've closed and won so far in the 4 weeks is probably 3 or 4 months worth of work on our part with the other way that we were doing it.
The ROI is definitely there.
It's expensive, but we don't regret it. The leads started coming in like crazy. It's more than compensated for the cost.
If you have that cash, after that commercial's out, literally within an hour, any one of those leads could literally return the entire monthly expense back to you.
Our only disappointment was that we hadn't found you guys sooner. Everybody has said this is the slowest anybody remembers. People are being laid off all over the place, and we're hiring.